Good morning, student. In today's maths class, we will first discuss the greater than, less than and equals to. So these are the three signs. The sign of greater than, it is less than and this is equals to. Greater than, less than, equals to. How you will understand what we have to say today, I will discuss it. As already this topic we have done in second term, we will done again in this term also. Okay, so this is the sign of greater than, less than and equals to. You know how to identify the bigger number and smaller number according to the basis of T and O. Some question I am giving. See, suppose the number is 72 dash 86. Now, how you will identify which number is the bigger number? Where we will open the mouse? We will open the mouse in the side of bigger number only. As the number is bigger, we will open the mouth in that side. Whichever number is bigger, we will open the mouth in that side. This side is bigger, then we will open mouth this side. If this side is bigger, we will open the mouth in this side. Now you first see how we will identify this, which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number. As I told you, when we are counting the numbers as we are going forward counting, the numbers is smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number to bigger number. So we have to see, suppose, smaller number to bigger number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, as we going forward, the number becomes big. See, if I calculate this one ball, here it will be 2 ball, here 3 balls, here 4 balls, here 5 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 6 balls, here 7 balls, 7, here 8 balls, here will be 9 balls. So see this one, as we going forward, the number, the quantity also, as according to the number, quantity also more. Here it is 1 ball, 1, 2 ball, 3 ball. So 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, 4 is less than 5, 5 is less than 6, 6. So whenever you are going in forward counting, we are going smaller number to bigger number. So how I will identify? We will identify 72 is bigger or 86 is bigger. How you will say? Where we will open our mouth? See this one. This is the 7 is. You see the tens place numbers first. 7 and this is 8. When you are counting the numbers, 7 will come first. That means 7 is smaller and 8 is bigger. 8 here written, 8 is bigger. 7 is smaller, 8 is bigger. So 86 is greater than. We will open the mouth inside of 86. 86, we will open the mouth. Now how we will read? As this is small number, this is a smaller one, we will read as 72 is smaller than 86. 72 is smaller than 86. Okay, you will first see the first number, either it is bigger or smaller. If there is a small number, you will not read like this. 86 is greater than 72. No, it's wrong. You will say 72 is less than 86. 72 is less than 86. 86. This is the correct one. See the next one. Now see the tens place number. You count from 1, 2, 3. Whatever the number come first, that is the smaller one. You count 1, 2, 3. 3 is here. So that means it is small. And 5 come. 3, 4, 5. It's big. 3 is big. 3 is smaller and 5 is bigger than 3. So 50 is 50. We will open the mouth in which side? 50 or 3880? 3838. We'll open the mouth in 5050. 5050. See. Now how we will read? We will read as 50 is greater than 38. How we will read? 50 is greater than 38. 50 is greater than 38. We will see the first number, it is small or big. According to this, we will say greater than or less than. Okay, now see. See, here also 7, this side 7, this side 7. Both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, we will put this sign. This is the sign of equals to. This is the sign of equals to. We will put this sign when both the numbers are same. Here both the numbers are same. We will put this sign here. This is the sign of equals to. Okay. This is the sign of equals to. So, whenever his concept is wherever the number is bigger, we have to open our mouth in that side only. We have to open our mouth in that side. The bigger number, at the side of bigger number, you will open the mouth. Okay. So this one you say, and you have to check the first number either is small or big. If it is a small number, we will say that. So if this is a small number, 72 is less than 86. This is a bigger number, then we will say as 50 is greater than 38. Okay. Now 2, 3 question more you see. More question you see. Here it is written 63 and here it is 42. So both the two-digit number, how we will identify 63 is big or 42 is big? Simple. You have to see the tens place number 6 and 4. You see, when we are counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 will come first. That means 4 is smaller than 6. 6 will come after 4. Then 6 is bigger. So 63 is bigger than 42. So where we will open our mouth? Open mouth which side? 63 or 42? It's 63. Where it is a big number, it will open the mouth in that side only. 63. So how we will read? We will read as 63 is greater than 42. How we will read? We will read 63 is greater than 42. What we will read? We will read 63 is greater than 42. Now see this 1313-9. 1313-9. Okay. Say this number 1313. Big or 9 big? You see this is two-digit number and this is a single one-digit number. So this one is the smaller one. So open with mouth which side? 13 or 9? 13 sides. So how we will read? We will read 1313 is bigger than, greater than, not the bigger than. 1313 is greater than 9. Here is 4, here is 4. We will both the numbers are same. You have to see the first then 8 is greater than 5. So we will open the mouth is this side because 89 is bigger number and 50 is smaller one. So how we will read as this is small? We will not read as 89 is greater than 50. No, it's wrong. We will read as 50 is smaller than 89. Five to 50 is less than 89. So children, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.